Hello! So in today's video I am styling the one and only Alexis Ricecakes, and if you don't know who she is a singer, songwriter. P.S. You're listening to her song right now. She is also a small business owner, art enthusiast, a YouTuber. She also has a few other side hustles along with being a plant, axolotl, and squishmallow mom. So for today's video I am styling her and sending clothes from Florida all the way to Nevada. So thank you so much to Alexis for even letting this collaboration happen. I am so happy and so excited for you to get all of your clothes, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, I thought the hat looked cute, but I'm gonna hide that. We are here at the thrift store. I am about to go in and we are going to be styling Alexis. So I'm just gonna pull up the outline that I have for her. Also, check out the nails. Happy Valentine's Day. This is probably gonna be out after Valentine's Day, but anyways. So yeah, here is her outline. She doesn't really have an aesthetic. She is just all over the place, which she does very amazing at. I can look for some skirts, corsets. She has lots of denim on here, but I feel like based off her Instagram, she already has a lot of denim. But yeah, I'm just basically looking around today. Today is only focused on her. So let's put on my mask and wait, I'm not wearing this one actually. I'm gonna wear this one. And I just washed them last night. I saw a hack on TikTok that like people were breaking out because they just put their mask in the wash machine, which that makes sense because your detergent is for clothes. Like your laundry detergent isn't meant to go on your face. So what I've been doing is I've been washing mine with like my face wash. So instead I have just been putting my face wash on here and like scrubbing it, and then I throw it in the dryer, and it smells nice and it is not making me break out. I mean, I do have a pimple up here, but so we're just gonna put on my mask and plug in some headphones and we're gonna get to shopping. So yeah. Okay, so I remember that she said that she likes long skirts, so I found two for her. Okay, so there's this one. It has green in it and it just has funky patterns, and I feel like she would really like something like this. Or there's this one that I'm not really digging, so I think I'm gonna put this one back. Okay, so I got a few items, and I also got her a couple things the other day, and I might have some things in my inventory that I want to add into her bundle. So that's all the shopping that I'm going to be doing today. So let's get to the next clip. Hello, so I am coming to you the next day, and I popped my pimple last night, so let's not even look at it. But I have 2 bags here of thrifted goodies, and we are going to sort them out and then take some pictures, put everything in the wash, and yeah, so let's just get right to it. Okay, so it looks like a lot of stuff, but back there is Alexis's bundle. I just got done separating the 2 other people that I styled recently, and I just haven't been able to wash their items and just get it all packaged yet. So basically, I just put it all into their piles. I'm gonna go take pictures of everything, and then I'm gonna put the stuff in the wash. While it's in the wash, I'm gonna make her style guide. So yeah, let's do a time lapse of that. So also I would just want to say that I know that like some of these things don't match together, but I know that she is already a fashionista herself just based off her Instagram. She has so many cute outfits already, so I just wanted to get her items that she obviously wouldn't have near her because they are from thrift stores, and just statement pieces. For her first pair of bottoms, they're not coming up like the exact same color on camera, but they are this light green color. Yeah, it looks like very white on camera, but it's more of a green, and it has these little white detailing, and I love that the waist is scrunched, and it also has a tie, so it would be able to fit her however she would like. And I feel like these would be really cute. I looked through her Instagram and I didn't see a pair, so yeah, I think that she's gonna really love these because one of her favorite colors is green. And to go with this, I thought that having a top like this, which it just has a collar and there's some buttons here, she could wear the buttons open, she could crop the t-shirt, she could tie it, she could tuck it in, so many different things. And I feel like just zebra print is really pretty with like a basic pair of pants, so I am really digging this first outfit. Okay, and now for the second bottoms. She said that she really liked a long skirt, so I got her one of those, and none of these tops really match with them, but in the Pinterest photos that she showed me, the long skirt was worn with a like white tank top, and I didn't really want to provide her with a white tank top because based off her Instagram, I know for a fact she has the basics. So I found this skirt for her, which it is long and it has a little slit in the side, it has a elastic waist, and I just love the green and the brown and everything that's going on here. And like, this pattern has been really popular all over Pinterest and everywhere, so I think that she's gonna really love this. And I also found this zip-up jacket, which looks like watercolor, and it's so cute. It has a hoodie, and it's really lightweight. I know that she lives in Nevada, so I feel like this will be really good for her when it gets hot. And yeah, I just love like the green and the brown and just the watercolors, and everything just looks so cute. She also mentioned that she likes sweater vests, so I have these 2 for her. I've had this one in my closet for a while, and you guys probably saw it in another video, but it just went perfectly with her like pastels, so I wanted to give her this one. And I also found this one, which is like pastels and nudes all in one top. I had to crop it, as you guys saw, because there's like big stains that I knew for a fact were not gonna come out. So yeah, I know that she's good at sewing too, so if she ever wanted to like alter this in any way, she always could. And then lastly, she said that she really likes Hello Kitty, and this hasn't sold on my website, so I just figured I would gift it to her. So it is this little Hello Kitty shoulder purse. I love like the detailing that is on this. Like, it's such a cute purse. So yeah, this is everything that I have for her, and now I'm going to just take pictures of everything, put it in the wash, and the next clip you will see me putting together her digital style guide. So I have all of her stuff out of the wash. It's in a pile. Now I'm going to take this old box, I think it's an Amazon box that my sister had, and I'm gonna put all of her goodies in there. And I still have to make her little goodie basket and little things, but I just want to get it into the box. So let's get a time lapse of that. I just have her little accessories right now, so I will come back whenever I have everything all finalized. Alrighty, here we have Alexis' box. I am so excited and I am so ready for her to get all of these items. This whole experience was so fun. I wanted to do this for such a long time, and yeah, like, it's so cool that I could be able to style her, and just that I got into contact with her, and now we have each other's numbers. We're basically besties. And yeah, so Alexis, I hope you enjoy all of these goodies. This is, as you can see, an Amazon box, but I just reused it, which is perfectly okay. It's my way of saving the earth, okay? But yeah, so I'm about to take this into the post office. Yeah, so again, I hope that she loves everything. I hope that everything fits. I hope that she styles everything amazingly. As for you guys watching, if you're still here, thank you so much for your support. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool. And you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye. Skater boy, now you're gone, I'm carefree. Skater boy, you were no good to me. The way you strung me along and I just took it. Can't believe you put me through all that bullshit. Keep it on the low. Said that you just wanna keep it casual. No, can't believe I did. Fell for you, the virgin inside my head.